as we continue to fight and spread in our coronavirus. Here in our country, it is important to always keep in mind that we have power to stop it. Yes, I'm talking about you and me. So let's feel desperate or powerless, especially if we follow.
Stay at home, social distancing, wash your hand frequently, but there's one more important thing that we can do, and that is we should all wear a mask.
We always talk about flattening the curve, but we cannot achieve this if we're always simply doing the same thing in the familiar, not adapting the situation at hand. Wearing a face mask has proven to be the effective way to stop the transmission of the virus. Wearing a mask catches most of the droplets released in the air. You may think that you're not showing any symptoms, but in fact, some of the most asymptomatic people could be the most contagious. You may think that you're safe, but those who are immunocompromised, those with underlying medical conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, chronic lung and heart diseases, your lolo and lola, your titos and titas, even your parents, your family, your loved ones, they may get infected. So let's not accidentally endanger our loved ones. Let's simply wear a face mask.
If you are going to leave your house, please wear your mask.
Protect yourself. Save a life. If you can make a mask for yourself and your household, the better.